Hello, you're welcome to mathematics class. This is section C of the 2020 BECE examination question. If you have missed any of the series, please check our YouTube channel, My Simple Math. If you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe and don't forget to press the notification button so that you can be notified each time we have a new video. So this is section C, the theory part of that 2020 BECE question. Question 1a. Solve 3 over 4 is equals to 2 all over 3 bracket x plus 1 minus 1 over 4. Okay, so the first one we'll do is to collect like terms. We bring this minus 1 over 4 this way, it becomes plus 1 over 4. 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4 is equals to 2 divided by 3 into bracket x plus 1. Alright, since they have the same denominator, we just add the numerator. 3 plus 1 divided by 4 is equals to 2 divided by 3x plus 1. So this is 4 over 4, same thing as writing it as 1. And then this is 2 all over, let's open the brackets, 3 times x, 3x plus 3 times 1, 3. Is that okay? Alright, then we cross multiply. 2 times 1 will give us 2, and then 1 times 3x plus 3 will give us 3x plus 3. 3x plus 3 is equals to 2. I'm going to bring my 3 this side, it becomes minus 3. So 3x is equals to 2 minus 3. 3x is equals to minus 1. Divide both sides by 3. 3x divided by 3 is x, minus 1 divided by 3 is minus 1 over 3. Is that okay? Alright, question 1b says the linear scale factor of two similar shapes is 4:7. If the area of the bigger shape is 490 centimeters squared, what is the area of the smaller shape? Okay, so 4:7 is same thing as saying 4 over 7. Now we don't know the area of the smaller shape, but we know that of the bigger shape. So let's represent the smaller shape with x and then the bigger shape 490. Alright, the next thing is to cross multiply. 4 times 490 is equals to 7 times x. 4 times 490, 1960 is equals to 7x. And then we divide both sides by 7. 7x divided by 7 is x. 1960 divided by 7 is 280 centimeters square. So x is 280 centimeters square. The area of the smaller shape is 280 centimeters square. Is that taken? Alright, question 2a says a motorcycle used 15 liters of fuel for a journey of 75 kilometers. Roman figure 1. Now, what distance will 40 liters cover by the same motorcycle? So, if 75 kilometers requires 15 liters of fuel, then 1 kilometer will require 15 divided by 75, which is the same thing as saying 1 over 5 liters of fuel. So if 1 kilometer requires 1 over 5 liters, then what will be the distance for 40 liters? Let's represent it as x, since that's what we're looking for. So if you cross multiply now, 1 over 5 times x will give you 1 over 5x, and then 1 times 40 will give you 40. Is that taken? Now divide both sides by 1 over 5. 1 over 5x divided by 1 over 5 will be x, and then 40 divided by 1 over 5. I can change this to multiplication and then interchange the numerator and denominator. So 40 times 5 over 1. That means my 5 is here now, my 1 is here. And then 40 times 5 is 200 kilometers. So that means for me to be able to use 40 liters of fuel, I must travel 200 kilometers. Is that taken? Very good. Alright, the second part says, how many liters will be needed for a distance of 350 kilometers? Remember, we have established that 1 kilometer would take 1 over 5 liters. Then 350 kilometers will take, let's call it x liter. And then by the time we cross multiply, you have 1 times x, that is x, and then 350 times 1 over 5. 350 times 1 over 5 is the same thing as saying 350 divided by 5, and that is 70 liters. So I need 70 liters of fuel to travel a distance of 350 kilometers. Is that taken? Very good. The other part of this question is construction, and so we need a special class to do that. With this, we come to the end of this series and the end of 2020 BECE questions. I do hope you enjoyed yourself. Don't forget, if you missed any of the series, you can check it out on our YouTube channel. If you're yet to subscribe, try to subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification button so that you can be notified each time we have a new video. Thanks for listening and watching. Have a nice day. Bye.